Hi team, if you haven't been to my channel before, I just wanted to welcome you. My name is Rachel Anita and I am a 25-year-old woman living in Washington, D.C. I just wanted to do this review or guide for you on how to use this product because I felt like it would be something that would be really interesting and also helpful to a lot of people who may have also seen this ad. So this product is called Cheeky. I stumbled upon it when I was just on Instagram scrolling. It happened to be the exact day that my jaw had popped during the night due to my bruxism or teeth grinding. I know a lot of us are dealing with heightened anxiety, especially due to everything that's happening in the world right now, and that has definitely been a cause of my increased night teeth grinding. When I tried an over-the-counter mouth guard and that just didn't work for me for a number of reasons, but overall it just didn't match my teeth properly. It was very uncomfortable, and so when I saw this ad, I was like, you know what, I cannot sleep, my teeth grinding is horrible, I have freaking headaches, and might as well just try this out, right? So maybe you're considering trying it out also, so I thought I'd show you my experience from when I first received it to maybe a few weeks down the line of using it. So there is a annual price of, I think it's $169 when they will send you 3 mouth guards a year. I thought that was a really good price compared to having to go to a dentist and do things that I don't want to do. You can also pay $29 upfront and then pay $49 every 3 months. But I think the first one is cheaper, and that is what I decided to do. You can also just buy 1 mouth guard for one time, and I think that is $119. I'm gonna check. It is in fact $119. So I ordered it, and I think it was like within 3 to 4 or 5 days I received this package here. So it says, "Let's get cheeky." I think that's really cute. It's like definitely like millennial packaging, people who don't want to leave their house and don't want to pay too much for things because we're broke and we have student loans. So yeah, I got Cheeky. I'm gonna open it now and show you what it looks like. So from what I understand, they will send you an impression kit first so that they can take your teeth impression. Okay, so I finally opened it up and it says, "Time to smile. See how to take great impressions at getcheeky.com. Pages how it works." It comes with an envelope to send back your impression, an instructional manual, and then a ton of trays. So there's 4 trays, 2 upper and 2 lower, 2 white putties, and then 2 blue putties. This is already overwhelming me, so I'm going to read the instructions and let you know what happens next. Okay, so funnily enough, it says, before we start, read the instructions from front to back, watch the instructional video, wash your hands, brush your teeth, read the instructions again. So clearly they're like, just read the freaking instructions. And then it says to choose your tray. So choose the tray that corresponds with the night guard you like. I chose the soft night guard, so I will take either 2 upper impressions or 2 lower impressions, which makes sense. And then you have to mix the putty, so you take 1 white putty and 1 blue putty and mix them together. The putty that should be fully blue. Then roll the fully mixed putty into a tube and place it into the impression tray. You have to do it very quickly or else it hardens. And then you take the impression. So once you have placed the putty evenly throughout the impression throughout the impression tray, place the tray into your mouth with both hands supporting the tray. Make sure all of your teeth are covered by the tray. That makes sense. With both thumbs supporting the tray, you push it into the teeth you're capturing and make sure it fits comfortably. And then the worst part, hold for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Not cute. And then you take the second impression, hold that for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and then you send it back. So let's see how long this takes me. I want something that's going to be very easy to do, very quick, and just as little stress on me as possible. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go brush my teeth now and wash my hands, and I'll be back. So I'm going to roll this putty up and then place it in here, and then I will be placing it into my mouth. and pressing up like that. So let's get started. So this didn't take me too long. It was about 30 seconds, but yeah. I feel like I'm a slime YouTuber or a slime TikToker or something. Anyway, so I feel like that is good enough. I'm gonna roll it into a tube like they told me to. Let's see. And then I'm gonna stick it in this thing. So I've put it in, I'm gonna squish it down so that it covers all of the teeth. And then let's go for it. So. Okay, so I'm going to do my second one now. Open up the putty. This was the fun part. And yeah, so far really easy. I really hope I did it right. I guess we'll find out in a few weeks. Just mix it up. And yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. So if you are actually watching this right now and you have your cheeky, I guess we can do it together. I don't know, and hopefully soon we will be fixed from our anxious bruxism, and that has gotten so much worse during COVID because anxiety. Okay, so I am back. I just finished doing my second one. They literally just say to drop them into the envelope that you give them. Like, you don't have to do anything to them. Like, they're going to be fine and protected. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to open up the envelope and throw them in and see what happens. Hopefully they send back some a mouth guard that fits properly. I feel like that's super weird. But anyway, that was kind of what the process was like. It was pretty easy, I would say. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who doesn't want to leave their house because of everything that's happening, or just people who want a cheaper alternative to a night guard that isn't over the counter. I will update you all with the second video on how long it takes to come and how it works out for me. I'm really excited about it, and yeah, so anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all found it helpful. I definitely so far recommend this product. It seems really easy and simple, and I love cute branding. Branding's cute, whatever. Like I said, please stay tuned if you want to see how it works. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions you have for me below. And I hope to update you all soon. Hey guys, so it is about a month later, maybe a little bit more, and I have fully tried out Cheeky's product. It ended up coming about 2 weeks after I sent it out, so I guess it took some time for them to take my impression and then turn it into an actual mouth guard. It came in this little box here, as you can tell, with a few instructions. Not too many, honestly, but yeah. So when you open it up, it just looks like that, and the mouth guard is placed inside. I'm not sure you guys want to see this, but that's the mouth guard, and it is, I would say, very like, it matches my teeth very well. One of my front teeth is a bit longer than the other one. I chipped the other one and haven't been able to get it fixed. Let's hope for veneers one day. But even you can tell on the mouth guard that one of them is longer, and it's shaped exactly like that tooth. So you can tell, I can tell that the impression is quite good. For the first night, it was a little bit uncomfortable, but I think by the second night that had abated and it was very easy to use. I'll just slip it in right now. So that's what it looks like. It does make you talk a little bit weird naturally. I guess I'll just keep it in for the rest of the video, but I would say it's very comfortable. It does its job. It has eliminated my, I'm gonna stop. It has eliminated my bruxism, my teeth grinding, and it actually fixed the issue that I had, which was my jaw popping, just like that. But yeah, I would basically really highly recommend this product. I would say it was very inexpensive. They're gonna send me 2 more of these in the next year, just to keep me up with new ones. It's incredibly easy to use. I just have it next to me, pop it in at night, take it out in the morning, clean it, and repeat. 100% fixed the problem that I had. I'm sleeping so much better now that I'm not waking up with not waking up in the night like grinding my teeth and being like, oh, I'm still grinding my teeth, or waking up my husband because my teeth grinding is so loud. But yeah, so that's my review about Cheeky. I would highly recommend it. This is not sponsored at all. I just wanted to try it, and I thought there might be other people in the same situation and who are interested in getting a product that will work for them. And Cheeky for sure worked for me. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are able to solve your problem if you have the same problem as me. I will link something down below so that you can find the product easier. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be coming out with more videos soon on home decor. I just finished decorating my girl cave, and that's really exciting. But I also will be doing a lot of budget videos as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope y'all have a good day, and Happy New Year.